and welcome to our Bible Art channel, where we create videos to help inspire your God-given creativity and to help you forget not the Lord. Today we are painting a very easy watercolor moon reflecting over the ocean water. I will be using supplies linked below. Nothing too fancy, just some fun kid art supplies, because art doesn't have to be complicated to inspire your God-given creativity. And first I'm going to draw a circle with a white crayon. Crayons are wax and pigment, and wax repels water. The white wax crayon will repel or resist any color that I paint on top of it with a watercolor, even black. This will allow my moon to stay white even if it's covered in paint. Then I'm going to think about where my sun will be reflecting off of the surface of the water and sparkling, and I'm going to do zigzag horizontal lines from left to right. So closest to the moon will be a little bigger, and as it comes closer to me and further away from the moon, they will start tapering in a little bit smaller. You can see that white crayon on this paper, right? Oh, I forgot one more important scientific ingredient for our art project today: salt. Salt soaks up moisture in our watercolors and leaves little white moments behind. And I think it will make fantastic stars and little shimmers in our sky and water. Let's see. After I have used my white crayon, I will carefully brush water across my paper back and forth. Now the area closest to your light source, which in this painting is going to be the moon, will be lighter and brighter. And as it moves away to the edges of your paper, it's going to become darker. So to do that, we can use water on our brush, water down your colors just a little bit, and make that area lighter. But if you still have it a little too dark, don't worry, we've got a trick for that. And my plan is to use enough water and paint that I can move and tilt the paper and move the colors and let them bleed and blend together. It's going to add interest to my sky. I can even put water on top of that moon and then go left and go right, and it will start diluting. Since my paint hasn't dried yet, it will start diluting the paint closest to the moon and cause it to be lighter, and then I can move that color away from the moon, and it's just adding more interest. Now let's add some salt. Just lightly sprinkle your salt over your painting where you want your stars to be. Now, careful, don't use a lot, because those little crystals are more powerful than you realize. While that's drying, now we can add color to our water. Now I'm going to sprinkle salt on my water for the stars in the sky to be reflecting into my water. All right, I may have added a little too much salt to my painting, but it is still cool. I told you those little crystals were powerful. The creator of the world, who told the sun, moon, and stars where to go and what to do each day, who knows the stars all by name, is mindful of you. And every day, every night, praise Him for the sun and the moon and the stars that you see in the sky, and for His love.